is up, tribe? I know that this angle is not the most flattering, but this is the only angle that I could do to where I could look at myself in the mirror and you guys can see what I'm doing. So apologies in advance. So today I'm just gonna be showing you guys some quick hairstyles that I do with my little afro that I got going on. You guys know I big chopped in 2018, and I think like September or October, I'm not really sure. A lot of you guys think just because I get on my channel with wigs I never wear my hair out. I wear my hair out like what, 80% of the time. So I just wanted to show you guys some styles that I do. First style, obvious style, just going out the house like this. Like this is mainly my thing, just going out the house like this, to be blunt. But I do have some other styles that I do if I'm feeling bored with this look or whatever. Before we even get started, I'm just about to like moisturize my hair. Like I used to have this main choice thing, but I don't anymore. So I just fill it up with water, and this is just like my spray bottle because my hair, like, okay, so before I big chopped, like when my hair got dry, it used to have no curl pattern. But now when my hair gets dry, it does have a curl pattern, but like it's just not easy to style. So I'm just gonna like wet my hair up real quick. Guys, like I really don't put any heavy products on my hair. The only thing I really do is conditioner and water. I don't do any like other things. I do take biotin supplements, but I don't put anything like heavy directly on my hair. So, because a lot of you guys keep asking me, girl, how did your hair grow so fast? Well, I just leave it alone, really. All right, so now that we got our hair wet. Oh, and guys, in case you didn't notice, like my hair is growing back like a mullet. Like my hair is like coming down like that in the back and then goes up, and it's a disaster. It's a whole disaster. So what I really do, and guys, I really don't do any sectioning or anything. So if you're like me and you're lazy and you just want some hairstyles, this is the video for you. So I just go like this. Just so I can get things together. I don't have much of it left, but this is just like some styling moves just to like hold it down a little bit because my hair be looking a little cray cray. And I'm just gonna go like that. And I wouldn't use like a strong mousse because like I said earlier, it'll just weigh heavy on your hair. I'm just gonna try to go back like this. And I like to leave like a little curl on the side. And I get, oh my god, it looks so crazy from this angle, but guys, I'm gonna scoot down and you'll see what's going on. Sometimes because my hair is still pretty short, I will have to get some bobby pins and like lay some hairs down, right? Like see, it's already coming up. Just to make it look a little cute, like I'll take like little hairs from like my edges and like twist it like that. Make it look like some flyaway stuff's going on. This is just something that I do like when I'm around the house, really. Like if I just wash my hair and I just got out the shower. So yeah, if you want to wear this out, do it on your own risk, but this is just something I do when I get out the shower and I get home. So yeah, my little baby, my little baby itches, bless. Now I'm gonna do this thing that I like to call like a mohawk, even though it's really not a mohawk. Super easy. You just take a portion and brush your hair up. And get a bobby pin. If your hair's like mine, you're most likely gonna need more than one. And if you guys have those big ass bobby pins, you're winning. See how I said like not really a mohawk? And then I just fluff around the edges and I do the same thing to the other side. So yeah, and then I try to like push this down. This usually only works for me when I have like a twist out though, because it looks kind of crazy from the front, but here I'll show you guys. So this is what it looks like from the side. And if you have a twist out, it'll look way better because then your bangs will like go down. This is what it looks like from the other side. This is what it looks like from the front. Nothing really too fancy, right? It's just like a little, just like a little more oomph to like your little, you know, your little fro or whatever. Just a little oomph, you know, nothing too glamorous, okay? It's very similar to this look, except it's just on one side. So I'm just gonna fluff this side out. I feel like my more, I don't know. I'm trying to decide if I should do left or right now. I'm gonna do the left. So I'm just like fluffing some stuff out. Oh, and you guys, if I don't know, I'm doing this tutorial, so you guys are gonna see me adding a lot of water because I'm not trying to, you know, lose the little bit of volume I do have. So it's pretty much the same as the last one, except we're just gonna do one side. And like, instead of going to the back, try to go scoop more to the up. Scoop more to the up. Oh, sis, I just noticed what my armpits are looking like. Child. This is how I used to wear my hair even when it was long. This was like my little thing that I used to do all the time. All right, I'm about to show you guys what it looks like. Just to the side, like, dude, if you do these with the bobby pins, like, I highly advise getting some like decorative bobby pins to just like pop your stuff off. But yeah, I usually do this if I'm like wearing a certain type of earring that I want to show off or something, because you can see my hair kind of covers my ear holes. So I just want to, like, you know, show a little something something. That's what I do. So yeah, super easy, super simple. All right, so with this one, you're going to need an elastic band. I even have an elastic band. Yes, I do. Okay. So elastic band, if you want, it's not necessary, but I know I have to do it when I try to do this, is I want to just brush it up first. Here, let me make this easier so y'all can see with this unflattering ass angle. You're gonna want to brush it all up first so that your hair is already like going in that motion. And again, guys, I know everybody's hair texture is different, so like, just because I'm not putting any product in my hair doesn't mean like you shouldn't put any product in your hair, especially if you want to have like a refined look all day. So do what works for you is all I'm saying. Because like, you can put these techniques into stuff that you already do, you feel me? So we're looking crazy, I know. I'm just gonna get this elastic band. And this hairstyle, I don't do that much. This is another hairstyle I do like when I'm just around the house, because I feel like I have a very small head and it just doesn't look very good on me. And then I usually push up from the back and then just do this. This used to look so much cuter like when my hair was shorter though, because now it just doesn't look all that great. Like, but if your hair is shorter than mine, this will look super cute, because before this used to be so cute on me and now it's not. Like, now my hair is like on some BS, but right now I'm just trying to stretch it out so it doesn't look so floppy. And then I like to take like a little curl out and some curls in the back. You know, we gotta get that kitchen or whatever. Okay, so like I said, this looked way cuter when my hair was shorter, but now that it has grown out a little bit, it doesn't look as cute. But this is like the standard hairstyle that you could do when you have a little puff, you know, just use the elastic band and make like a faux ponytail type of thing. But yeah, this doesn't look as cute on me anymore as it used to when my hair was a little bit shorter, but this is another thing that you can do. All right, what is this, hairstyle number like 6? Like, I'm starting to lose count of how many hairstyles I've done so far. I'm just like creating a part. I already know where my hair parts, but if you need a comb, I get it. So I'm just parting my hair off to the side, like so. Okay, okay. Yeah, I know my hair looking crazy, okay. That's just like another thing you could do, is just like add parts to your fro so that it gives it a little bit more of like a dimension and not so much like a full circle, if that makes any sense. So I just added a part. Now this might not work for everybody, because I still could not do this hairstyle when my hair was shorter, and I used to get very frustrated about it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna brush the hair down and brush it to the side like this. And of course, you know, my signature little baby hair I like to leave out. And I'm just trying to brush it all the way down and make a ponytail. This is basically just gonna be 2 ponytails. And I'm just gonna use this tiny elastic and make my little ponytail. And I don't like to let the puff hang out. I like to make it into like a little bun, like that, like a little bun. So that's one. This one is the pain in my ass though. Like I hate this one because it's so much hair. I still be struggling with my hair, y'all. All right. So now we're going to do this one. Whichever wants to cooperate with me. So we're most likely gonna have to use some bobby pins in the back. Now with this part, I'll just get a bobby pin, smooth it out. And then this little thing in the back, I like to put down also. Like, that's like the key to trying to style short hair is just tons and tons and tons and tons of bobby pins. Okay. Ew, I got hair in my mouth, bitch. So this is the final look. It's just like two little, here, I'll show you guys the back. And it's not even or anything. It's just like something you could just do. Put two little things back here and keep it moving. Now you could add baby hairs and stuff to this. That's usually what I do, but we're just doing a quick little something something right now. I'm just showing you guys what you can do. You could also do that if you want to do this and then get a, here, I'll show you. And then get a band and put these two together, and then you can put like a fake ponytail on there or anything else that you would want to do. But I'm not gonna show you guys any of those unless you want to see it. If you guys want tutorials from me on like how I add like hair extensions, natural hair extensions and stuff like that, let me know. But this is just like purely my hair. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like just your hair and what you could do with it. So since my hair is already like pulled to the back like this, I'm just gonna brush it down with my mullet. And again, I understand that people's hair texture are different, so some of these styles, some people may not be able to do. There are certain styles that other people can do that I can't do, but I'm just showing you guys what I can do, and if it can help somebody, then awesome. So as you can see, I've kind of just like brushed it all to the back, and we got like ourselves like a mullet going on, the signature Naja mullet right now, like. And I'm just going to take that same elastic that I had earlier. I keep getting this shit caught on my earrings, girl. All right. And now I'm just going to just place it. I'm not gonna put a lot of pressure on it, but I'm just gonna like place it, and then I'm gonna like nudge it forward. The reason why I did this and kept the part is because I didn't want it to look like a perfect circle. And here, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, this is another thing that I do. Super easy, super quick. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys want any more videos like this, because I do get a lot of questions on my natural hair, so I just wanted to put this video out. And yeah, let me know if you have any more suggestions. Like, link me to some people's videos. If you know any more styles, I would love to watch it, because I'm still open to expand my hairstyles, girl. Like, you get what I'm saying? So just let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, or if you know somebody who it could help. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.